Hi friends, in the last video we have discussed 20 new words of letter A. The video link is in the description below. Today we will discuss vocabulary of letter A part 3. Let's start. Acclivity means sharp upslope of a hill. Split it as AC plus cliff plus ET. Cliff sounds like cliff. A cliff is a steep rock face. So, the meaning of acclivity is a sharp upslope of a hill. Accolade means award of merit or strong praise. Split it as AC plus collade. Relate collade to chocolate. Teacher gifts chocolate to the student as a compliment when he tops the examination. So, accolade means award of merit or strong praise. Accommodate means help someone. If you are providing accommodation to someone, that means you are making room for them. So, you are helping them in some or the other way. So is the meaning of the word. Accomplice means partner in crime. Split it into AC plus com plus plies. Relate com to company and plies to police. If you accompany the police while finding thieves, then you are helping them. If AC is added, then it is the opposite meaning. So, accomplice means partner in crime. Accord means agreement. Split it as AC plus cord. Relate AC to according and cord to record. Usually, according to the records of the rental house, the owner and the tenant are in agreement. So, accord means agreement. Accost means approach and speak first to a person. Split it as AC plus cost. Remember it as at any cost. When you love a girl, you will approach that girl and talk to her at any cost. So, accost means approach and speak first to a person. Accounter means equip. Split it as AC plus counter. Counter sounds like counter. The counter in the stationery shop is always equipped with all the items. So, accounter means equip. Accretion means growth or increase. Accretion sounds like creation. When we create something on our own, then it means we are growing. So, accretion means increase. Accrue means accumulate or receive something over time. Accrue sounds like akdu in Hindi. Akdu means someone who is arrogant. When a person accumulates money over time without doing hard work, then he will become akdu. It is most commonly used when referring to the interest, income or expenses of an individual or business. So, accrue means to accumulate. Acerbity means bitterness of speech. Split it as A plus sir plus BT. Relate sir to sir and BT to bite. In Hindi, काटना. When you talk to your sir in a disrespectful manner, then sir तो bite करेंगे ही, in the sense डांटेंगे. So, acerbity means bitterness of speech. Acidulous means slightly sour, sharp or caustic. Split it as acid plus dulous. Acid is usually sour in taste. So, the meaning of the word is sour or caustic. Acknowledge means recognize or admit. Split it as AC plus knowledge. When you study hard and gain knowledge, you crack UPSC exam. Once you succeed, you will be recognized by everyone. So, acknowledge means to recognize. Acme means top, pinnacle or apex. Acme sounds like Lakme. Lakme is one of the companies which produces the top quality cosmetic products. So, Acme means the top or the apex. Acoustics means science of sound. Split it as A plus COU plus sticks. Relate COU to couple and sticks to sticks. When a couple of sticks are struck, it produces a sound. Also, you can remember that usually guitar cover songs are played on an acoustic guitar. So, acoustics is related to sounds. Acquiesce means assent, agree without protesting. Split it as AC plus qui plus SCE. Relate qui to quiet and SCE to yes. When someone agrees to a point, then he says a quiet yes. So, the meaning is to agree without protesting. Acquire means obtain or get. Split it as AC plus choir. Choir sounds like choir. Choir is usually a musical ensemble of singers performed by Christians to praise the God. If someone praises the God, then he will obtain or get anything he wants. So, acquire means to obtain. Acquittal means a judgment that person is not guilty. Split it as AC plus quittal. Relate AC to accusation and quittal to quit. Accusation quit means someone who is not guilty for his crime. Acrid means sharp or bitterly pungent. Remove R from acrid, then it becomes acid. Acid is usually bitter in taste. So, acrid means sharp or bitterly pungent. Acrimonious means bitter in words or manner. Split it as A plus crim plus onious. Relate crim to criminal. How does a criminal talk to others? In a disrespectful manner. So, acrimonious means someone who talks to others in a bitter manner. Acrophobia means fear of heights. Split it as acro plus phobia. Acro means topmost or height. Phobia means fear. So, acrophobia means fear of height. Subscribe to Vocab Guide for regular updates. Thank you.